Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. My name is John Weinberg, and yes, I do have coffee. It's actually almost empty. So you'll notice I'm not in my studio. I am in San Francisco. I'm at Tunnel Top Park if you ever have a chance. It's a beautiful spot right in the Presidio, right on the waterfront. The bay is right behind me. Can't see it because of the fog, but I have a feeling it's going to clear here pretty quick. I am here for a quick day of shooting in San Francisco, and I wanted to share with you really quickly what is in my bag for a random day of kind of exploring the city. I, every once in a while, come to San Francisco and do photo walks, and I never know what I'm going to capture, what the results are going to be, and I love that. It's actually fun randomly going to different neighborhoods and just shooting what catches my whim. And I bring a small kit in order to make that happen. So let's show you what I've got today. So first, let's talk about the front pouch. And there's only one thing in here, and that's going to be batteries. I've got 3 extra batteries for the Leica M6. And I carry these because I never know when one's going to die. And I mean the ones that are in here, because sometimes they've been sitting so long that they don't last when I put them in. So I bring 3 of them to make that happen. Nothing else in that pocket. Open up the top zipper. And the first thing is going to be my camera strap for the Leica Q2. And this is Peak Design. I've done a review on this where I talk about it. Just a great strap, and I have 2 sizes in this, so if you're interested, there's more, and I'll link to that above. The Leica Q2, I've had this camera for many years, and it is an awesome walk around camera. I can capture black and white, color. When I shoot, I usually shoot with both JPEG and RAW, so that I can have both to work with. The JPEG is going to be in black and white, and then I usually edit from the RAW file. So just an amazing camera that has worked for me for many years, and I absolutely love it. It's got a 28mm and it's a 1.7 and just an amazing camera. So I should do a fuller review on this. I've done different videos on different features of this and images that I've taken with it over the last few years, so I can link to a couple of those above as well. Then the other camera is the Leica M6, and on the Leica M6 I have the Voigtlander 50mm Nocton, and great lens, and this one's an f 1.5, and it's a lot of fun to shoot with. I've been learning and growing with this system. I hadn't shot rangefinders, randomly prior, just to see if I was going to like it, and then decided to go for it, went for the M6, and I absolutely love it. And I've shot a ton of rolls of film through this, and I have videos on that as well. And just a lot of fun to walk around with. And I'll randomly choose to shoot with the Q2 or the M6 depending on where I am and what I'm shooting, and I'm gonna have some fun with that, and I might even try some street photography. Now when I shoot, I don't actually think about street photography. It's more cityscapes, and if a street image, or if you want to call it that, it's kind of, I don't want to get pigeonholed as a street photographer because I'm not, but I may get some random images that are in that genre, but I shoot more cityscapes. There's a lot of kind of conversation around what is street photography and what isn't, and I don't really kind of define myself as a street photographer. With the M6, it's just I'm making images, and whatever I get, and I don't really put myself into a specific genre, and that could be a topic of a whole other video as well. And then the film, I actually have a roll of Tri-X, so 400 speed. I shoot primarily with Tri-X. That is my go-to black and white, but I am trying out something new today, and that's the Kentmere Pan 200, and I've got a roll of this inside of the M6 and another roll. I'm planning on shooting both of these rolls, and then the Tri-X as a last roll if I go through both of these. So 2 extra rolls of film. And then to log the film, I have a pen and a little field notes guide that I go ahead and put the information for shutter speed, aperture, ISO. so that I know what I shot and have that information for the entire roll. And that's that. And then the very last thing is going to be my pack for the DJI Mic Mini, which I'm wearing here. And then inside here is another mic if I need a second mic for another person, and a spot for the receiver, which is on the Insta360 Ace Pro, which I'll be taking some footage with today, and that will be my B-roll footage, throughout the day. So yeah, that's my kit. If you have any questions about any one of these or want to dive deeper, I do have other videos and I can, get those to you, or drop some of them in the section below so that you can click on those and check those out. But once again, drop those comments below. Let me know what questions you have, and if you've been to San Francisco, what your favorite spots are to shoot, and I love hearing from you. So that wraps this up, and look forward to more content from this photo shoot today throughout San Francisco. My name is John Weinberg. Till next time, take care.